Contour surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land development and construction. They are professionals who specialize in accurately mapping the contours of a piece of land, providing valuable information for architects, engineers, and builders. Puri is one such experienced contour surveyor who has made a significant impact in this field. With his expertise and knowledge, Puri has become a trusted name among developers and contractors seeking accurate and detailed contour surveys. Puri's dedication to his work is evident in the quality of his contour surveys. He understands the importance of precision and attention to detail in this line of work. Utilizing advanced surveying techniques and equipment, Puri ensures that his surveys are accurate and reliable. His years of experience have honed his skills in interpreting land features and accurately representing them on the survey drawings. This level of accuracy is crucial for architects and engineers as it enables them to design structures that align seamlessly with the natural topography of the land. In addition to contour surveys, Puri also specializes in SCON design. SCON design involves creating detailed plans and drawings for the installation of sconces, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures. With his expertise in this area, Puri can provide accurate measurements and placement recommendations for sconces, ensuring optimal lighting and aesthetic appeal. His knowledge of lighting design principles allows him to create designs that enhance the ambience and functionality of any space. Clients who have worked with Puri appreciate his professionalism and commitment to delivering high-quality results. He understands the importance of meeting deadlines and communicating effectively with clients throughout the surveying process. With his expertise, clients can be confident in receiving precise contour surveys and well-designed SCON installations. Contour surveyors are essential in the building and land development industries. They are experts who focus on precisely mapping a piece of land's contours, giving essential information to architects, engineers, and construction workers. One such knowledgeable contour surveyor who has had a considerable impact in this area is Puri. Puri has earned a solid reputation among developers and builders looking for precise and thorough contour surveys, thanks to his experience and understanding in the field. Puri's commitment to excellence can be seen in the caliber of his contour surveys. He is aware of how crucial accuracy and focus on detail are in this line of work. Puri makes sure that his surveys are precise and dependable by using cutting-edge surveying methods and tools. His years of expertise have sharpened his abilities to decipher land features and faithfully depict them on survey drawings. For architects and engineers, this degree of accuracy is essential because it enables them to create buildings that smoothly integrate with the topography of the terrain. Puri is an expert in contour surveys as well as SCON design. The process of designing sconces, which are beautiful wall-mounted lighting fixtures, entails producing thorough blueprints and drawings for their installation. Puri is an expert in this field and can offer precise measurements and